out. So once you pick the niche, it's time to find products to promote inside of those. Now, the mistake that a lot of people make is promoting any product that they can get their hands on. But if we want to really build trust with our audience, we need to promote products that we genuinely believe in that offers real value, because people can see straight through that, right? So you really want to focus on high quality products that have good reviews and solid affiliate programs, aka that pays you well. So I like software and course programs, and that's what I do, and that helps people get something done that they need, and they pay way more. But you can also choose sites like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, Commission Junction. Like, those are good places to start as well if you don't have anywhere. Now, if you're new to content creation and all this stuff that I'm talking about, and you need more details on something like picking the right niche, go ahead and check out the free Cash Creator community. If you're looking to learn how to make money online, this is the place for you, all right? The community has like-minded creators who are all working towards the same goal, which is building a successful online business. It's a great place to get some guidance, get some support, actionable tips as you grow your channel and your income. And I'll leave a link to that down below. All right, so you got your niche and your products lined up. Now let's talk about content creation. Now, the key to successful affiliate marketing on YouTube is creating content that converts, right? So this means that you need to create videos that not only get viewers in, but they also encourage them to take action. So like clicking on your affiliate link. You start by creating valuable and informative content that solves a problem and answers a question that your audience has. For instance, if you're in the tech niche and you create product reviews or unboxings, right? Showing people what they're going to get, and then answering in that same video all the questions that they have in their minds, so that it's just checking it off for them, where all they have to do is click the link down below to get the product. Make it easy. Or you can create how-to guides. You just always want to make sure to mention those affiliate links in a natural way as well, you know, without sounding too salesy. You want that to be a natural integration, not like these high production 60-second mid-rolls with a logo in the top corner. People tend to skip through those. You already know this because you do it. You skip through them. So don't do it to them because you do it, right? So one thing to avoid is also don't be too pushy with the affiliate links. They're going to know if you're just trying to make a quick buck or if you actually really believe in the product. So focus on building trust by giving honest, helpful recommendations. And over time, that